Jai Hind cadets, myself Akashika Singh, UP19 SWA 550665. Today we will be studying about field signals. See cadets, it becomes very important to study about field signals as whenever someone wants to convey his message, one has to raise his voice. पुराने दिनों में जब एक गांव से दूसरे गांव तक मैसेज पहुंचाना होता था, तब हम ड्रम का या फिर स्मोक का यूज करते थे. आप लोगों ने एपिक्स में देखा होगा ये. But when you are in the battlefield, then you can't use these methods. And this is why we study field signals because this is one of the method which we can use in the battlefield. Okay? So let's proceed. First one is deploy. Deploy का मतलब होता है तैनात हो जाना. तो जब एनिमी पास हो तब कमांडर डिप्लॉय का यूज करते हैं. इन दिस अपना राइट हैंड हम अपने हेड के ऊपर तक फुल्ली एक्सटेंड करते हैं और साइड टू साइड वेव करते हैं एज इफ हम हेलो बोल रहे हैं किसी को. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर. सेकेंड वन इज एडवांस. एडवांस मीन्स आगे बढ़ना. इन दिस वी स्विंग आवर राइट आर्म फ्रॉम रियर टू फ्रंट एज इफ वी आर डूइंग अंडर आर्म बोले. Third one is halt. Halt means stop, ruk jana. In this, we extend our right arm fully above our head. All right. Fourth one is turn about. पीछे मुड़ना 180 degree. Okay. In this, we bend our right hand above head as we are saluting to someone. Although this is not the exact position of saluting, but to some extent it looks like. So in order to learn, we will correlate it with something or the other. Okay. Fifth one is change direction. Means we are going in right direction, but now if we have to move towards left, then we use this. So in this, we raise our right arm towards front side in level with our shoulder, and then we turn our body in required direction, that is left or right. Sixth one is close. Close का means होता है पास आना, near or adjacent. In this, we take our right hand and place it on the top of head so that the elbow makes right angle, that is 90 degree. Alright. Seventh one is follow me. I think everyone knows the meaning of follow me, right? So in this, we swing our right arm above our shoulder from rear to front as if we are doing overarm bowling. It is just opposite to advance. Understood? Next one is enemy approaching. Means जब enemy पास आ रहा हो. In this, we will put our hand back at the waist level as shown in this picture, and then we will do scooping motion from our palm. Okay? I think scooping पता होगा सबको. जैसे हम लोग आइसक्रीम scoop करते हैं from that. Likewise. Then next comes enemy LMG firing. Means enemy जब light machine gun से fire कर रहा है. In this, हम अपना right hand outward direction की तरफ ले जाएंगे and then हम thumb down करेंगे as shown in this picture, like we say bad luck. Okay. Then comes attack. It's quite easy. In this, we will do the punching motion with right or left hand according to the direction of attack. Then comes close to rendezvous. Mind this cadet that this word is not pronounced as rendezvous, but it is pronounced as rendezvous. Okay. This means that all the soldiers will be meeting at the decided place. In this, we will firstly perform the close sign, which I have discussed few minutes earlier. And then we will clasp both the hands in front of body at waist level. For those who do not know the meaning of clasp, clasp means pakad, okay? I hope you all are getting it. Then comes infantry obstacle ahead. In this, we will make the sign of cross above our head with palms open and facing outward, as in this picture. Now we will study some signals with weapons. In this, first one is enemy in sight. जब आप enemy को देख सकते हो, in this we will put our rifle above the head as shown in this picture, and we will put the mount of the rifle, that is muzzle, in the direction of the enemy. Second one is enemy in sight in large numbers, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा numbers में है. In this, firstly, we will do the exact same signal of enemy in sight, and then we will move our arm in upward direction and several times. Third one is advance, means आगे बढ़ना. In this, we will raise both the arms upward with the rifle and make the letter U as shown in this picture. Alright? So to conclude this lecture, I would say that the fighting efficiency of a unit or subunit depends on sound communication system which helps commanders at all levels to exercise command and control effectively. Field signals becomes a part of movement of a good section or platoon commander. Hence, victory in battle will come to those that the section or platoon whose men are familiar in the use of field signals. Thank you so much.